Sensitization is an important aspect of policing, as the police being in the forefront to maintain law and order are expected to strictly uphold the rule of law. Full stop. A police force sensitivity could play havoc with the life and liberty of an individual, including his oblique her dignity. Dignity is neither class centric nor an elitist concept. It inheres in all individuals as human beings. Article 21 encompasses all shades of dignity as a necessary concomitant of liberty. Life without dignity would amount to mere animal existence in the opinion of the apex court. Fundamental rights of an accused while in custody are never wholly denuded. They stand abrogated only to the extent he is unable to enjoy them on account of his incarceration. Full stop. The state has no right whatsoever to indulge in any act which dents the dignity of an individual, as once dignity is lost, it cannot be retrieved. Full stop. Para. The circular of District Dep- Director General of Police, Uttar Pradesh, dated 6/7/2020, envisaging a criteria to select top 10 criminals in a district and in each police station is in exercise of power to maintain surveillance. Full stop. To which no illegality could be attached. Full stop. I also hold the circular dated 6/7/2020 to be lawful and valid. Full stop. However, there is nothing in the circular which enables the police to disclose the identity of an accused and his criminal antecedents in public gaze. It could not be disputed by the learned additional advocate general that a police station is a public place, as any member of public is entitled to right of entry. The state sought to justify the disclosure with a view to alert and caution its citizens as to the activities of the accused. Full stop. The state also relied on an order of the apex court, that is Ram Babu Singh Thakur versus Sunil Arora and others, 2020 SCC online SC 178, where it permitted the Election Commission of India to disclose the criminal antecedents of a candidate contesting elections under the Representation of People Act 1951 in public domain. Full stop. Para. I am not impressed with either of the pleas. A welfare state governed by rule of law must adhere to all constitutional norms. All actions of the state must be prompted in public interest and not be an outcome of preconceived prejudices. It does not behove a state of dent the dignity of an individual, however horrific his conduct may be. All that the state is constitutionally empowered to do is to conduct fair and unbiased investigation against an accused, prosecute him in a court of law by providing adequate opportunity to defend himself. I need not reiterate that a convict too is entitled to the enforcement of at least those fundamental rights or basic human rights which affect his life and liberty, including dignity as a human being under Article 21. The order of the apex court in election case was in the context of power of election commission to hold free and fair election to elect a democratic government, which is one of the basic structures of the constitution. If the elector is made answer aware of the alleged criminal antecedents of a candidate, the voter would be in a better position to take an informed decision to vote. Here, in the present case, no laudable object is achieved with the disclosure of identity of the accused and his alleged criminal antecedents in public domain.